Let's solve few questions on ABO blood group. Our first question is, what are the genotypes possible for a person who has A blood group? It is easy. Let's solve it together and you can check your answer with me. So, a person with A blood group will have genotype IA or IA small I. A person with B blood group will have IB or IBI. A person with O blood group will have small I, and a person with AB blood group will have IA, IB, IA. Okay, is it clear? Our second question is bit tricky. Let's try to solve it step by step. A man with type AB blood is married to a woman also with type AB blood. Show the cross. What proportion of their children will have A blood, B blood, O blood and AB blood? So it is given that the man has AB blood group. So this is the man, this is woman. As man has AB blood group, so the genotype will be IA, IB. Similarly, in case of woman, as she also have AB blood group, so the genotype would be IA, IB. Now we know that gametes are haploid, so they will carry only one allele. So one of the gametes will carry IA and the other will carry IB. Here also one of the gametes will carry IA and the other will carry IB. Now, by making use of Punnett square, we can easily solve this problem. Let's do it. So, male has gamete IB, IA. Similarly, female also have IA and IB. Now, their offspring will have IA, IB, IA, IB, and IB. This denotes AB blood group. This denotes A blood group. This denotes B blood group. And this denotes again AB blood group. So, out of 4, we have how many A group? We have 1 out of 4, which is equals to 25% of offspring will have A blood group. We also have 1 B blood group offspring out of 4. Hence, 25% of the offspring will have B blood group. O blood group is not present here. So, it is 0 by 4, which is equals to 0%. And we get 2 offspring out of 4 who are of AB blood group, which is equals to 50%. So, these are the proportions of blood group of their children. I think it is clear to you now. Let's move to our next question. Our third question is, if one of your parent is blood A and the other blood type B, which of the following blood types would you likely be? अब ये जो क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पर आपको पेरेंट्स के जेनोटाइप बताए नहीं गए हैं, तो हम ऐसे कंडीशन में जेनोटाइप को हेट्रोजाइगस कंडीशन में ही कंसीडर करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर क्या बताया गया है कि वन ऑफ आवर पेरेंट इज ब्लड टाइप ए एंड द अदर इज ब्लड टाइप बी. सो if male is blood type A and female is blood type B, now the genotype they will be having is IAI because it is a heterozygous condition, and here also IBI. Now their gamete will contain only one allele, that is IA and small I, and here also IB and small I. Now let's make a Punnett square and solve it. So the male has IA and small I, and the female has IB and small I. So the offspring will have genotype IAIB, which is AB blood group, IBI, which is B blood group, IAI, which is A blood group, and small I, which is O blood group. So here we have 5 options, that is, which of the following blood types would you likely be? So we have A, B, O, AB and any of the above. So the answer would be any of the above, because from the Punnett square it is evident that the offspring can have any of the above blood groups, that is AB, B, A and O. So our answer would be any of the above. Our next question is, what are the possible blood types of the offspring of a cross between individuals that are type AB and type O? It is very easy. Still, let's solve it. So, if we consider that female is AB and the male is O blood type, so their genotype will be AB, that is IAIB, and here it will be small I, and the gametes that they are carrying will be IA and IB, and here the gametes they will be carrying are small I and small I. With the help of Punnett square we can easily get the answer. So the gametes that the male will be carrying is small I, and the female will be carrying is IA and IB. So the genotypes of offspring would be IAI, which is A blood group, IAI, which is also A blood group, IBI, AB, B blood group, and IBI, it is also B blood group. So a cross between AB and O type will lead to offspring of A and B blood group. This is the answer. Try to solve this question on your own. A child has blood group O. If the father has blood group A and mother blood group B, work out the genotypes of the parents and the possible genotypes of the other offsprings. If you liked my video, then please hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Till then, take care and keep learning in a fun and easy way with Biology Hai Easy.